Sir, now you people may ask, what is the need of this JPMS concept in the Java 9? Remember that. Sir, until 1.8 version, how you can develop applications? Can I spell out? First we have to write classes. Can I spell out? First we have to write classes. I want to develop one small project or one project I want to develop. I require to write several classes or several interfaces and then several enums we are going to write. Usually a project can contain multiple classes, interfaces and enum. All these classes we have to define inside, we have to convert into packages. Correct or not? Sir, we can hold these things inside a package. All these packages we will convert into jar files. Remember this one, sir, we will convert into jar file. By placing jar file in the class path, we can able to run our application. Correct or not? Okay. Sir, until 1.8 version, our application development is based on jar files. Are you getting that? Sir, rt.jar, even JDK itself is jar file based only. rt.jar, tools.jar. Next, if you want to communicate with the database, OJDBC6.jar, log4j if you want to use log4j.jar, like everywhere jar, that's all. Until 1.8 version, everything is a jar file based in Java, right? But, sir, with this jar file, there are n number of problems are there, sir.